Today we're unboxing 3 PR boxes. It is long overdue, so let's get right into it. Box number 1. Love Beekman 1802 does their packaging with yellow. Ooh, this is so cute. They got a little candle. It's a candle for it's for their 5-year anniversary of the Bloom Cream. Cream is absolutely beautiful. The one that I just ran out of is this one right here, this little bottle, but the one that they sent is the tube. This is the tube, but it works just as well. I just ran out and I love it so much. The reasons that I love it is because of what it does to my skin, and it wears so beautifully under makeup. Beekman 1802 does with little nuggets with their packages, which is just so cute. This is the Dream Booster Bakuchino Better Aging Serum. I've actually never tried this one, but I love pairing a serum with the moisturizer. It just does wonders. Right now I use the blue one. I can't think of the name right now, but I use the blue serum at night, and then I do not use this one at night. I actually use Beekman 1802's, the one that has Bakuchino. So this one's actually going to pair so well with the one that I'm already using. Today I like to use their niacinamide serum drops with this one. That routine is just absolutely beautiful. It does wonders for my skin. One big thing to know about the Bakuchino is that it is a retinol alternative. So it's so great to use during the day or nighttime, but I like to use it more at nighttime, especially for people that have sensitive skin like me, and I'm just not ready for retinol just yet. Let's go on to box number 2. This looks like a dream. This is their milkshake toner, and it's a body mist and it's lavender. The packaging is top tier. Oh, this is so cute. At 3 scents are the coconut cream, lavender, honey, and orange blossom. Not meant to replace your body cream, but I'm a little lazy sometimes. So sometimes I'll just spray it on my body and I skip the cream, which I know I'm not supposed to, but you know, I do have a 3-year-old, so my routine has to be quick. And these, and if you pair them with cream, I really want to smell the lavender. That's what it looks like when you spray it. Love the lavender, just relaxes you. Love. Spread it across your body and it just melts right in. It just feels so silky, luxurious. You can see the difference. Package number 3. Oh, I love getting these little pins, and I actually put them in my little makeup bag and I'm collecting the pins. That is so cute. It's like a little prescription. I love when they get so creative with their little packages. You put your little, it's like a little prescription bag that you get at the doctor's. How cute. Daily for lifting and maintenance, 1 to twice per day. So what is it? It's MilkRx Compressed Advanced Better Aging Cream Infused Mask. I haven't tried a mask like this, I don't know, since I was in middle school maybe. I'm excited to try this. It says it brings a chin strap. Okay. I need a little girl time. Maybe this weekend we can have some time in this. This is a little tiny for me to try. MilkRx Advanced Better Aging Cream. Renexome Polypeptide Complex. That was it for today's PR unboxing. It's definitely a really good one. Like Bloom Cream, I definitely needed to stock up on this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.